Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lounisi Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we are going to present our 8th lecture titled What is a Bank? So I have divided my 8th lecture into the following elements as follow. What is a bank? What are the main types of banks? Language activities, including building vocabulary, and final assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. What is a bank? A bank is a financial institution that is licensed to accept checking and savings deposits and make loans. What are the main types of banks? The big global banks often operate separate arms for each of these categories: retail banks, commercial or corporate banks, investment banks, and finally central banks. Third element, language activities. The word bank as a noun means an organization that provides various financial services, for example, keeping or lending money. For example, you don't have much money in a bank at the end of the day. We need to go to the bank. Major banks are increasing the amount they lend to small companies. Finally, and last element, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.